Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. I am so sorry it has taken so long for us to do another video, but here we are. It has been 17 months or so since the last proper video, but we are back. So thanks very much for joining us. As we said, it's been a long time since our last proper video, and recently on our community page on YouTube we posted a little poll to see what people wanted from our next video, and 50% of you asked for a project update out of a whopping 4 votes. So thanks very much. This is a little project update for you. So we're going to look at some of the projects we've had here at Vintage Automobilia in our own collection, and projects we've been doing for clients. Obviously it's a long time since some of our previous videos, and some things have changed quite a bit. Those people that know us know a bit about what's been going on here. I won't go into that, but one little issue we have had, or we did find way back when, was the upload speed of our internet here in deepest southwest England was terrible. It took 3 days for that video to upload, and it's a bit demoralizing, you know. We're really busy with work as well over the last sort of 12 months, and I haven't had the time to bring the camera out with me, film things, edit them, and then make a video that just doesn't upload for days. So hey, we're looking to try and change that. Hopefully things are sorted there and this one works a bit better, hopefully. So yeah, last video we looked at the Porsche tractor. I think I briefly showed you the David Brown as well. We've had the MGB project. Sadly the MGB has moved on. So that moved to our new premises. It was parked in the barn here, looking a little sorry for itself, but it was a very good car. That has now gone off to be restored. It's gone to a local collector who's probably quite a way through carrying on with it now. We have had another MG since then that I haven't done any videos on. And I have still got my first MGB, a little 69 GT, which I might be able to do something with soon on the channel. The Porsche tractor, now that, along with the David Brown, is coming along. They've both stalled a little bit in recent times, but we pulled them out. Back last summer we had our local sandblaster come along, and he blasted all the panels, the rolling chassis, the wheels, everything. We cleaned it all back, and we've primed them and painted them. The Porsche probably wants another coat of paint on it at some point. It's had one good coat of paint, but I think I want to flat it back and do another coat over that. So the David Brown, that's started to go back together now. That had a good coat of paint on it. When we blasted it, we found things like the wheel rims. One of them had actually been really badly welded on all the lugs where it bolts to the centre. So we got another pair of good original solid wheel rims. It's now on its new set of tyres, so it's got Goodyear tyres all the way around, a really nice set of tyres on it. Radiator's back on, the manifold's been off, new gasket, painted back on, wiring looms in place, starter motor, dynamo, coil, things like that. I still need to just fit the wiring loom up. But yeah, they've kind of stalled a bit recently. They are ongoing projects. They're in the background on the back burner. We've had quite a lot of work on recently, mainly with project petrol pumps. Now in the previous video we showed you some panels, some blue panels that were for a Bowser pump. That pump's been completed, that's done, but we've had a lot for customers as well. We've had about 8 petrol pumps on the go for clients, customer commission restorations. Ones you've seen before, the Vickers pump, now that is still here needing a bit more work yet, but the Bowser pump and the Glyco oil pump that we featured in a short phone video on YouTube recently, they have been completed. The biggest project that I've been doing over the last few months is a lorry. If you like trucks, then hopefully you'll like this. So back earlier this year in March, I went off and did my Class 1 or C+E training. So car to Class 1, as they call it, where the ruling's now changed. You don't have to do that rigid step in the middle. You can now go, as it was back in the old days, and go straight to Arctic unit and trailer or rigid and trailer. So I've done that, now got my test. I'm a qualified lorry driver, and I've got this Foden Alpha 1, year 2000 Foden. We bought it on eBay, saved it from being exported, as you do. It's a little bit rare being just a single rear axle, so it's a 4x2 unit, as it's known as. Most of them were 6-wheelers, or big tipper trucks or things like that, but when it comes to tractor units, they were a heavy haulage unit really. It is hashtag not a DAF, even though it is, so underneath it is mostly a DAF CF, so a lot of parts are still available, which is really great. We've been able to buy pieces where we needed them, new light units and bits and bobs, so it's old enough that it's getting nearly classic, but not so old that we can't buy parts still. So our friendly local sandblaster also came down earlier this year, and that was blasted, all the chassis was cleaned up, we've sprayed that, we've gone for a traditional red on that's Alpha Red. The cab was also badly rotten. These can be repaired, but they do have a habit of rotting away underneath the doors, under the floors, along the back panel was rotted. There was quite a lot of rot in this cab. Now we found on eBay again a cab from a scrap truck that had actually done less miles and didn't have anywhere near the rot in it. It's actually really, really solid. We've had to do a couple of little repairs on it, but nowhere near as much as we'd have to do on the blue cab. So that's been cleaned down. Someone had already started working on that, rubbing it down, so we carried on, it's been primed, painted. Morocco maroon, that is the colour, so it's maroon and red now in our sort of company family colours, but we've got a lot of maroon stuff. What is there to say about that? It's a truck, it's massive. Cummins M380 engine, manual Eaton gearbox, twin split. Yeah, looking forward to carrying on that. Hopefully we'll be able to bring you some more videos on the lorry if you're interested. Yeah, usual things. Don't forget to, wherever it is, like and subscribe. Please share the page. Comment away. Let us know what you'd like to see more of as well. We've got motorbikes coming. We've got the truck. We've got tractors. Loads of tractors, actually. There's been a few more of those. And plenty of pumps and signs and things going on. So we've got some ideas for some Workshop Wednesday videos that we can do. We're always welcome to more ideas. If you're struggling with something and you think, how do I clean that? How do I fix it? Whatever. Fire away. I'll have a go. We'll see if we can do a video on it. And we'll put that on here. We're December 2022 at the moment, and we're going to try and get this going again for next year. We're looking at some new workshop premises, so we want to get on it with the YouTube again and get some more videos going for you. We do enjoy them, and I've got itchy feet. I need to do some more again. So thanks very much for joining us. Hope that's been okay. A little project update. Like I say, give us a like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us doing and what projects you'd like to see more of. Is it our motorbikes, the lorry, the tractors, or just more Petroliana? I hope you haven't minded my waffling on. Maybe there's been nothing worth watching on TV, I don't know. The football's over now, not that I've watched any of it. But go to YouTube, watch a few videos. Thank you for following us. We've had a few new followers recently. Thank you, welcome to the page. Yeah, carry on following us. Let us know what you'd like to see more of down in the comments. And we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.